Did you know the average person spends around 42 minutes per day searching for misplaced items, which translates to an estimated 28 days per year? The never-ending quest for a clutter-free home can be daunting, especially when it comes to small items like needles. These tiny objects often slip through the cracks, making it challenging to maintain a tidy space. In this video, we'll explore quick home organization tips focused on needles, helping you reclaim your sanity and time. From sewing enthusiasts to medical professionals, needles are an essential tool for many, and a cluttered workspace can hinder productivity. With the right strategies, you can keep your needles organized and easily accessible, saving you from the frustration of searching for them. Let's dive into the world of needle organization and discover simple yet effective ways to keep your workspace clutter-free. First, let's talk about the importance of categorization. Separating needles by type, size, and color can make a significant difference in your workflow. Imagine having a dedicated container for each type of needle, making it effortless to find the right one when you need it. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that a disorganized needle collection can lead to lost or damaged needles? Did you know that a disorganized needle collection can lead to lost or damaged needles? To avoid this scenario, it's essential to implement a needle storage system that suits your needs.
One effective approach is to use a needle case or pouch, which can be attached to your sewing machine or kept in a designated drawer.
This way, you'll always have your needles within reach, and your workspace will remain clutter-free. Another clever idea is to use a magnetized needle holder, which can be placed on your work surface or attached to a wall. This innovative solution allows you to store multiple needles in a compact space, keeping them organized and easy to access. But wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that some people use a vintage needle box to store their needles? This unique approach not only adds a touch of nostalgia to your workspace, but also provides a practical solution for keeping your needles organized. A vintage needle box can be repurposed as a decorative container, adding a personal touch to your sewing area. When choosing a needle storage solution, consider the type of needles you use most frequently. For example, if you work with embroidery needles, you may prefer a small container with separate compartments for each size. On the other hand, if you work with larger needles, you may require a more spacious container to accommodate them. In addition to categorization and storage, it's essential to maintain your needle collection by regularly cleaning and organizing your workspace. This will help prevent clutter from building up and ensure that your needles remain organized and easily accessible. By implementing these quick home organization tips focused on needles, you'll be able to reclaim your time and sanity. Imagine having a clutter-free workspace that inspires creativity and productivity. With the right strategies, you can achieve this and more. Let's explore the world of needle organization together. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to keep your needles organized and easily accessible. From sewing enthusiasts to medical professionals, anyone can benefit from these simple yet effective tips. So let's get started and discover the joy of a clutter-free workspace, one needle at a time. As we explore the world of needle organization, keep in mind that it's all about finding a system that works for you. Whether you're a seasoned sewer or a beginner, these tips will help you develop a personalized approach to needle storage and organization. One final tip is to consider using a needle roll or case with separate compartments for each needle. This innovative solution allows you to store multiple needles in a compact space, keeping them organized and easy to access. In addition to these tips, don't forget to maintain your needle collection by regularly cleaning and organizing your workspace. This will help prevent clutter from building up and ensure that your needles remain organized and easily accessible. By implementing these quick home organization tips focused on needles, you'll be able to reclaim your time and sanity. So, what are you waiting for? Start organizing your needles today and experience the joy of a clutter-free workspace. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more incredible tips and tricks on home organization and productivity. Like and comment below with your favorite needle organization tips, and let's continue the conversation. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos and content. If you're ready to take your home organization to the next level, subscribe for more incredible tips and tricks.